Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I create beauty content for women over 40. Whether it's from the drugstore or Sephora, I just love trying out new makeup looks, tutorials, and share them with you guys. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then just hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Today we are going to do a brow tutorial. So I had previously purchased a brow pen from QUO Beauty. I did get it in the shade ash. This is like their darkest color and it is a little too dark, so I went back and I got a lighter shade. I got this in the shade light brown, so we are going to see if this is a little bit better of a tone for my brows and yeah, do a quick little brow tutorial. I was extremely impressed with the quality from the QUO Beauty, a couple of their products. If you have not checked that video, check it out as well. And the affordability, so these are like $10, and the one that I had bought gave me such great pigment and such a fine tip pen, so I'm hoping we get the same quality from this pen as well. I'm going to bring you guys in nice and close. I'm going to give this brow pen a good shake, and then I'm going to try to stay in focus in the camera for you guys. I tend to just kind of follow the mirror and go out of focus. Oh, okay, this one's a little drippy. Let's wipe it. You can see how fine that tip is. All right, let's go in. I'll come in nice and close. I like to start out in the front, and I like to just kind of angle the strokes on an angle, I guess, instead of straight up and down. So just kind of try to follow the natural shape of my brow. So it looks a little dark. I think it's just because like it's just very fresh, but it is so pigmented. And then just throughout that front piece, kind of follow the strokes going on a diagonal, and then once we get to underneath the brow, just kind of fill in that bottom piece, because I over waxed my brows in the 90s and the early 2000s and they never grew back in. I had great brows when I was a teenager. Took those for granted. So just kind of following the natural shape. This is a better tone. This is for sure a better tone. And you just gotta go super light-handed with it. And then on the tail, sometimes you can just kind of pull up the skin like that. And that helps with this outer part of the tail, rather than trying to kind of go downwards like that. Now once we've got our shape, we can, I'm just gonna kind of try and get in focus, we can just kind of fluff that up a little bit higher and make a couple short pieces right in the front. And then sometimes I like to go in and do a little faint line throughout, like that. If you want to make it a little thicker, you can just keep going back in and just filling in any kind of spots that you see. Add a little bit extra there if you don't want it so arched, to kind of bring down the brow a bit. Now what you can also do is just kind of bring these brow pieces down and fill in that top part like that, and then just kind of flick them back up. So impressed. So impressed with this product. And remember, they're sisters, not twins, so if they're not perfect, that's okay. Also needed more mascara, so I picked up this one from Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, so we'll try this one out. I don't know if I had this one or the one, I think that was pink, so I haven't tried this one, so I'm gonna curl my lashes and then we'll try this one out together. All right, let's open this up, see what the wand looks like. Oh, I like these ones. I don't really like the ones that are curved or like that little plasticky bristles. I really like the shape of these ones. I just like to really get those inner corner hairs on the front and the back. There's always little hairs hiding back here. Piecing out the lashes very nicely. Really pick up those outer corner lashes. You can get a lot more volume there, and that helps with the false lash effect as well. Not just the mascara, but how you are applying it. Very nice. It's not getting clumpy and just separating my lashes really nicely. All right, this is the final look. Two really great, affordable products that just give you an awake look. If I don't have anything but brows and mascara on, I feel like I'm ready. My face is just fresh and awake and more youthful looking. So try these two out. You will not be disappointed. All right, thank you guys so much for being with me and watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again soon.